The compressor you see is a two-cylinder, two-stage, double-acting water-cooled compressor. The air is inducted into the compressor through the air filter. The compressed air is cooled by an intercooler and aftercooler. Oil-water separators are provided to separate the oil and moisture from the compressed air. Low-pressure and high-pressure stage drains are connected to an automatic unloader, which unloads the compressor while starting and stopping. The compressed air is delivered to an air reservoir for storage. Before you start the compressor, you have to carry out a few checks. Check if the oil level in the sump is normal through the level gauge. If the level is high, oil will carry over. A low level of oil will result in improper lubrication. Check if the air bottle filling valve and the compressor delivery valve are open. If you start the air compressor with the delivery side valves shut, the relief valve will lift. Be very careful. The compressor may explode if the relief valve malfunctions. Make sure that the low pressure and the high pressure stage drain valves are open. The drains are connected to the unloader. Starting the compressor with the drain valves shut will overload the compressor. Ensure that all the seawater and freshwater valves of the cooling water system are open. The cooling water temperature and the air temperature will increase if the cooling water flow is restricted. Confirm that the generators can take the load of the compressor. This compressor motor consumes 30 kilowatts while running. The starting current will be higher. Start the compressor now. Confirm that the automatic unloader has closed the drain. You can hear the sound of air draining stop. In addition, confirm that the compressor is loaded. Check the current drawn by the compressor motor in the ammeter. If it is higher than normal, it indicates that the compressor is overloaded. Check if the lube oil pressure is normal around 2.8 bar. Low lube oil pressure will lead to improper lubrication. Monitor the cooling water temperature and pressure. The cooling water pressure should be around 3.0 bar. Maintain the cooling water inlet temperature between 30 to 40 degrees centigrade. The cooling water pressure and temperature will affect the air temperature. Monitor the delivery air temperature. High air temperatures will affect the cylinder lubrication and reduce the efficiency of the compressor. Check the first and second stage delivery air pressure. Observe the time taken for filling the air reservoir. The time taken for pressure to rise in the air reservoir will indicate the performance of the compressor. Check for any abnormal noise or vibration. Stop the compressor immediately if you hear any abnormal noise. Do not start the compressor without investigating the reasons for abnormality. When you stop the compressor, check whether the unloader opens to drain the air. In compressors where an unloader is not fitted, you should open the drains before stopping. Stop the compressor. Click the steps in each procedure to view details.